Greetings, fellow crafters. Desire your Halloween, and I have an enormous box. Like, seriously. This thing's like a foot tall. It's about 1 foot by 2 feet. It's a big box. No, it's not Diamond Art Club. I just set this here so that it would cover up all the labeling so we don't have anyone stalking me. No stalkers. Stalkers aren't cool. It's more of a crafting thing. I got this from Michaels. Michaels.ca. Come on back and we'll see what I picked up. Where'd the box go? I actually opened it and put it on the floor because it's huge and I don't really have room for it up here. That way I also can stop trying to hide all the addresses because these don't have any. So, let's reach into the box of goodness. Yes! So, the first thing I got was a couple of pads. I got the Green Witch pad. I'm actually going to, where'd my knife go? I had one. Hey, here it is. Did I break my knife? This should lock. There we go. There we go. Okay, now that I've done playing with my knife, I am thinking of doing some crafts with my Cricut. Surprise. And I don't have much in the way of fun papers or cardstocks or anything like that. So they had a buy one get one. I thought one was bigger than this. Consult the invoice. Oh, good thing I know my French. Okay, so I wanted some scrapbook paper. They had a buy one get one. But look at these. Yeah, skeleton hands is kind of like Victorian, come gather for a spell. Tread softly in the woods lest you disturb any spirits. That's cool. Some neat scrapbook paper. Herbal Grimoire for the Green Witch. Lovely spider web pattern. So the Celestial Moon herb pattern. I love this. The forest is dark and full of magic. Little green magic goes far. A lovely rose one. Welcome to the witching hour. So just some fun paper. I got this one as well. But yeah, they were BOGO. They were, because I'm Canadian, $8.99 for a pack. But I got one free. So they're $4.50 each. I consider that a win. I did actually use a coupon this time, but not on this. So, look at that. Happy Halloween. Pretty scary. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Hocus Pocus Danzu. Hugh, our next. We'll be waiting. Let's just tuck it in there. Some candy stripe. Happy Halloween. Some stars. spooky cats. Ooh, hollow cats. And webbing. Ooh, hollow sparkle ghosts. Can you see that? Are you seeing that? Hollow sparkle ghosts. I'm such a kid. And then this one's almost like swatched washi tape all the way down, different strips. Boo, Happy Halloween, Spooky Bewitched. Happy Halloween, that's cute all by itself. Doesn't need to do anything else with it. Cut, print, send. And then pumpkins. So those are cool. I have so many cool things I can do with the Cricut, so I'm like, yay, more paper. Packaging. Ooh. For the diamond painter, I've seen a few people talk about this storage arrangement. This was at Michael's. Comes with some there we go. Whoa, that's really tight. Tweezers and a little spoon. These are meant to be bead boxes, so I thought they would work for diamond painting. It looks like there's several sizes. Holy cow. That size and this size. Don't know how they will work for diamond painting. The lids seem a little on the loose side. There's this size. Do I have? Measuring tape is never I want it. I'm going to be right back because I want to see how big these actually are. As usual, what I want is actually right next to me. Okay, so it says includes 2 medium boxes, which I think are these guys. 34 small, which I think is this guy here. And this is a little less, a little more than 4 centimeters, or about 1 3/4 inches. A little less than 2 centimeters deep. That's about 1.5 centimeters deep. So there's all of these. 34 of these medium-sized boxes, and then 16 of these mini boxes. Got a whole bunch right here, and they all fit into this container here. This was Consult. You're not helpful. You're on sticker paper. Why are you on sticker paper? This was this amount of money. I'm pretty sure that's what got taken down a chunk on, because I had a 30% off one item, one regular price item thingy, coupon stuff. So I thought I would give these a try. Being a kid, I can't actually lay hands on Harbor Freight. So I thought this might be similar enough to make it work. I think I may get something up in this. Stay tuned to that. See how this goes. But I thought I'd give it a shot. I don't think it was that expensive. And it's a nice little kit. So we'll try it. We'll see how it goes. And this is the whole reason why I put the order in. I got it, guys! My advent calendar. They call it countdown calendar because Advent is something that's specific to Christmas, actually, but most people would probably call it an advent calendar. It lights up, which I didn't even realize. It does? Okay, we have to open this bad boy up. I do not plan on leaving it this plain. I actually picked up some gray primer and paint, which I will use to prime this. If it was just going to be decoration, I don't know if I would prime it. But because we're going to be opening doors up and stuff every day for the month, I decided that I probably should. She's really been bored. There we go. I will now. There's a lot of character that's already on here, and I'm afraid I'll lose it if I just cover it in a full primer. Oh! They're not doors. They're drawers. I think I am going to prime it. That's cool. And it supposedly lights up. So... it's got... I should have saw that coming. Got the little tabbies on. What's going on here? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. We've got... this one works. This one kind of sputters. Is that one not on? It is actually off. Okay. Phew, I thought they might be broken. Okay, so it looks like they cycle through a bunch of different colors. That is so cool. Which means that these are not fixed. I can move them around. Means I don't actually have to number them either. And then there's a super deep one here for the door, which you can use for the actual day of Halloween. This is so cool. Oh, that one's backwards. So we can mix and match and move these around. And I have a fly with a death wish. I love it. I'm definitely going to paint this guy up. But now I'm going to have to mask those lights when I do it. Because I just got a spray gray paint and primer that I picked up at Walmart. I think I paid like $8 for it. I'm going to have to, just to prime it out so that I have a good base to paint with acrylics on. So that's my countdown clock. I love it. It cost this much because I don't have that in front of me. But it was on buy two get one free. So I can't let that go. So I got this, and this also lights up. So I'm going to have to paint that one up too. It's a little psychedelic. So I got that. And my kids have been playing Ark with Daddy and love it. So, of course, I had to get... Ooh, let's see if you can see it. The dinosaur skeleton. So we'll have to paint that too. What thing? There's instructions. There's French instructions. Oh, it's just about the battery. It's Sierra 2032, but they're like common as dirt. Okay, so that's those. And then this is at very anticlimactic, a scrapbook case for all of my vinyl, because it's getting real here. I did do an unboxing. This is my case for my Cricut Joy of this is all the stuff I got for vinyl, and I couldn't find a full 12 by 12 box anywhere. And I'm kind of getting overwhelmed with all of this stuff. So I think I might keep the smaller stuff, like the cards and the rolls and stuff in here. Still. But the bigger stuff I think is going to go in here. And this is both heat transfer and permanent vinyl that I've got here. Yeah. Pay good money for these things. It's got a lot of plastic flashing. For what you pay for this stuff from Rifles, you really expect it to be in better shape than this. I think this was like $8.99. It was not terribly expensive, but the important thing is it's in the dimensions that I need, because the permanent vinyl is in 12 by 12 sheets. So that is a much cleaner solution than trying to have it sit kind of curved in a box. Let's retract the blade so I don't kill myself. Fly, go away. It's gonna be death. You know, if you're gonna invade someone's home, the best way to stay alive is to not dive bomb them. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed my little treasure trove. Basically, the reason why I ordered this was because I noticed that this guy was available. I had been kind of keeping an eye on the website to see if it was available in... It never did come available in the Michaels that's near me, but it did come available online, so I had to place an online order because I just had to. It was required. So that is that. Thank you so much for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, all of the wonderful YouTube goodies that keeps me away from the mercies of the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next one. Keep it spooky, guys. Bye.